Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Shein keeps crashing up. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps crashing on Shein app, should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here in this page. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Shein, and if you'll find updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next